Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to show you guys. The second half of this recent gigantic bunch of knives sent to me by Kizer, which are almost certainly December releases considering the Christmas theme. In part one of this, which you guys can find in my unboxing playlist, I opened up probably my favorite Christmas themed knife ever. So I'm looking to see if potentially we can even top that. In the past, I was using, this last year or in the last 2 years, I was using a Christmas themed QSP Penguin, which was great. But I found their Christmas themed Militaw in the last box, which is extremely cool. It's got gold liners and it's very, very Christmassy. But anyways, let's see what Kizer's got coming out this season. Thanks so much to Kizer for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. Let's do the fixed blade first. This is the Drop Bear Fix 3 1095 blade, black coating. 1095 is a good fixed blade steel in that it is tough and it is incredibly easy to touch back up. I feel like it probably does better on like really big fixed blades, but I think it was fine on a lot of stuff as long as the price is low. Their whole series of Drop Bear fixed blades are just really great. This is a nice size. I don't do anything that would require like a fixed blade like this, but I keep a bunch of fixed blades around just in case. Like sometimes I use them for very casual things outside, just sort of home maintenance stuff or yard work or whatever. So I'm always happy to get additional fixed blades, but I know some of you can make much better use of those than me. Next up we have a Sheepdog. We have 50 CR15 MOV. I have no idea what that blade steel is. Absolutely no idea. There's so many MOV blade steels that I just don't know anything about. So, let's see. What do we have? Oh, that's why. Because it's a little razor. Oh, it's a little... Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a little top liner lock Sheepdog utility knife. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Except for how you release the fixed blade. Are these little... Can you do it with your hands? No, you have to use a little Phillips head. It's not bad, though. It's not bad. I wish it was a quick release system, but that is awesome. With the Sheepdog handle profile, and you got the jimping back here. Very cool. It's always nice. I like the fancy, expensive utility box cutters, and obviously there's a point where it becomes ridiculously ironic. So you're spending $200, $300, $400, $500 on that crazy Hawk shortcut. On a utility cutter that does literally the same thing as a standard Home Depot utility knife, right? The difference is, of course, you get something that's much more interesting, collectible, right? Everybody who actually pays, top dollar for stuff like that is fully aware of the irony, right? But it's nice to have that option and also, it be in the cheaper realm. And it also comes with additional blades. That's cool. These are the types of knives that I love to give away as gifts, just because it's, everybody can use a simple, replaceable razor blade utility knife. But some of these are just like this is wildly easier to use and more convenient and just cooler in general than, for example, your Milwaukee Fastback, in my opinion. Another Sheepdog. Is this going to be the same type of deal? Yes, but in green. We have to have different colors. That's always nice to have different colors. This one has a little orange thing on it. Oh, this is the quick release. Why do you guys have two? Oh, okay. I mean, this is better. If this is what I think it is. Yeah, this is perfect. Let's get it back in there without harming myself. I need to, right there, and then, is it in? There it is. Now it's in. Oh my God. You guys are going to go to town with that one, aren't you? All right, I'll leave it in there. I won't edit it out. Yeah, that's awesome. Quick release. You got the button, top liner. We're getting real close to essentially the perfect utility cutter. I'm going to have to do a video just on these. I absolutely love that. I'm probably going to keep that one unless they send me another one that is like black, maybe. This is the Aegis. Damascus blade, Ozo G10. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't even bother trying to keep everything in order anymore. It's chaos. Kizer Damascus is Ooh. Oh boy, that is beautiful. Goodness. Is this a... How are we achieving this? Hold on. Hold on. Is it just very, very, very heavily etched? Black matte. This is awesome. This is very close to what I would describe as a shadow Damascus, or like when they DLC coat Damascus. I believe it's probably just the end result of, heavy darkening. Whatever they've made this out of allows it to turn that color. But then we have the whole rest of the knife is a very basic profile. It's basic materials, basic locking system, and basic liners, leading me to believe that the idea here is to allow people to get a super, super cool blade and not have to pay very much for it. I would really love to find out that this knife is about $50 or less, but I have no idea. That is very, very cool. That's the first time I think that I have ever seen Damascus from Kizer. That's open, that's open, that's open. These are razor blades. Okay, oh, so we just have 2 Christmas knives left. Okay, so what do we have here? Kizer Original 214C28N. I think I opened this. Yeah, this is a cool knife too. All of these Christmas themed knives are awesome. I get in the mood. I love having stuff around that's, like this is the type of stuff that I will carry like weeks leading up to Christmas, just because. So that's really nice. You got the red clutch lock studs there, and you got the red thumb studs. You got the gold pocket clip with the gold liner. 14C28N, that's fun. What's this last heavy one here? Oh, Christmas Sheepdog with S45VN. Maybe the Militach kicked out the Penguin. Maybe this is going to kick out the Militach because of the Sheepdog blade. Unless... No, it can't be. Wait a minute. This is a Christmas knife? Oh, crystal titanium. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, yeah. That's really neat. That is Christmassy. Oh, boy. Yeah. And we have not the blade shape I was expecting. We have the Sheepdog profile, but not a sheep's foot blade. It is a drop point blade, which I don't think I've seen before. I have many different Sheepdog knives. I think I have 4 or 5 in my collection. I'm probably going to have to keep this one on principle just because it is crystal titanium. I love that, and I bet you anything, just with the configuration here, I bet you this knife is very affordable in terms of Chinese production knives that are utilizing premium materials. This is crystallized titanium, which is that's added costs on top of regular titanium. Very, very beautiful to look at. It literally looks like a frosted over window, which is awesome. And then S45VN. I bet they have a price tag on this is somewhere between $150 and $200, which I think is great. All of these, I'll tell you what. This is cool, but I like it for a different reason. Had that had this theme and sheep's foot blade with gold liners, that would have been my permanent Christmas knife. But very cool the way that it is. Absolutely. Sorry, this is like out of frame here. Kizer is releasing a lot of really fun stuff for the holiday season. So just like last time, I'll have all of this stuff linked down in the description so that you can go and check out everything all at once. That's going to be it from me today, guys. Thanks again to Kizer. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.